Hi, привет! Welcome to my channel. Добро пожаловать на мой канал. Today we will talk about dative case. We continue this chapter. Cases. Okay, Russian case, dative case. Use the dative case to indicate an indirect object, which is the person or thing for whom or which the action in the sentence is performed. You also use this case after certain prepositions such as к, toward, and по, along. The dative case denotes the indirect object of a verb, the person for whom an action is performed, the recipient. Пример. Давать деньги. To give the money. Давать деньги кассиру. To give the money to the cashier. Кассиру. Another one. Звонить сестре на работу. To call one's sister at work. Отвечать соседу. To answer a neighbor. Писать письмо брату. To write a letter to one's brother. Платить другу. To pay one's friend. Пожимать руку солдату. To shake the hand to the soldier. However, use of the preposition к when the object sent is animate. Пример. Отправить детей к родственникам. To send the children to stay with the relatives. Сказать отцу правду. To tell the father the truth. And now let's talk about the verbs that take the dative. Verbs which take the dative denote the first, conforming, rendering assistance. Примеры. Аплодировать, to applaud. Вредить, to harm. Изменить, to betray. Напоминать, to remind. Повиноваться, to obey. Позволять, to allow. Помогать, to help. What else? Служить, to serve. Советовать, to advise. Содействовать, to cooperate. Способствовать, to foster. Угождать, to please. Please note. Запрещать, to forbid. And разрешать, to permit. Take the dative of the person. Запрещать солдатам курить. So, to forbid the soldiers to smoke. And the accusative of an action or process. Запрещать, разрешать, обгон. To forbid or to permit overtaking. That's accusative. The verb учить, to teach, takes the dative of the subject taught. Учить детей музыке. Музыке in dative. Учить plus accusative means to learn. Учить русский язык. To learn Russian. Слова президента. Слова Владимира Владимировича Путина. Россию постоянно учат демократии. Russia is constantly being taught democracy. The words of our presidents. Okay, next point, attitude. Верить, to believe. Грозить, to threaten. Довериться, to trust. Досаждать, to annoy. Завидовать, to envy. Льстить, to flatter. Удивляться, to be surprised at, and so on. Note. Also, смеяться, to laugh. Улыбаться, to smile. Смеяться, улыбаться, шутки. To laugh, to smile, a joke. But смеяться над кем-нибудь. To laugh at someone. Different meanings. Okay, next point, let's say about other meanings. Наследовать, to succeed someone. Предшествовать, to precede. Принадлежать, to belong to, in the meaning of possession. Принадлежать к группе. So, to belong to a group. Равняться, to equal. Следовать, to follow, advise. And now I'd like to discuss adjectives that take the dative case. Adjectives, long and short forms, it doesn't matter, which take the dative include верный, loyal to, знакомый, known to, известный, well known to, подобный, similar to, послушный, obedient to, рад, short form only, glad, да? Я рад гостям, I'm glad to see the guests. Now I'll give you some impersonal construction using the dative case. Most impersonal constructions involving the dative case denote a state of mind, feeling, or attitude. Окей, примеры. Ученику весело. The pupil feels cheerful. Ученику грустно. The pupil feels sad. Ученику душно. Жарко, hot. Лучше, better. Скучно, bored. Стыдно, ashamed. Тепло, warm. Удобно, comfortable. Холодно, cold. Хуже, worse. Some construction, of course, involve verbs. Пример. Брату кажется, что тепло. My brother thinks it's warm. Брату надоело работать. My brother is bored with working. Брату не здоровится. My brother feels off color. Брату нравится танцевать. My brother likes dancing. Брату приходится много работать. Брату удалось достать деньги. My brother managed to get the money. Брату хотелось уйти. My brother felt like leaving. And now let's talk about next point. The dative is also used in denoting age. Сыну исполнилось 20 лет. Or just сыну 20 лет. My son has turned 20. My son is 20. Next, the dative as a logical subject of an infinitive. A noun or pronoun in the dative case may function as the logical subject of an infinitive. Let's see. Что детям делать? Детям in dative case. What are the children to do? Не вам решать. It's not for you to decide. Брату некуда идти. My brother has nowhere to go. Ребята, so that's all about dative case. Это все о дательном падеже. I hope everything is clear. Я надеюсь, вам все понятно. Вы все понимаете. In the description box, I left some exercises. Check it and leave your answers in the comments. I'll be glad to check it and give you feedback. Спасибо. До свидания. Пока.